Coloring outside the lines. My first encounters. Oh, hello. Did you pick up your copy of Mariah Carey's new book? Autobiography about her life. It's a memoir. Guess I'll have to put the book down and start. So, hi Jason.
Hello.
I had 3.5 hours of sleep last night. And I was out late last night with my friends. They got a new place in downtown LA. So we drank a lot of wine. Now I'm a little hungover. Oh, by the way, clock the mug.
Now I'm a little hungover.
My lovely cookie jar. I don't know if you want to zoom in. My friend Cassie, who lives downtown, she got me some gifts. So look at this little old school recipe box. Inside, personalized recipe cards from Bobby's Kitchen. She's like winning friend of the year. I don't know if she's trying to throw shade or if she just knows me, you know, well. Oops, I'm drunk. Oh, by the way, clock the mug. Now that I've rambled, do you want to know what we're gonna make today? Saw it on TikTok. And I was like, oh, that looks like something I want to try. You're gonna take an Oreo cookie, take the top off. You're gonna place a Reese's cup on top, this back on. You're gonna dip it. I have to melt some white chocolate, first of all. My nickname from high school, white chocolate. Because it's Halloween, we need to use a little orange food coloring, which is organic, so that the white chocolate becomes orange. So, let's go. I need a pot. Opening up sweetened condensed milk is never looks great. Ugh. Oh, we were also watching, I don't know if you've ever seen Auntie Fee on YouTube. She's a legend, Rest in peace, she passed away. She had one of the most iconic cooking shows. Auntie Fee, something for the kids.
I don't know, this is something for them kids, you know.
So we have that. Now we're gonna melt our white chocolate. Ooh, you just wanna melt this down, which is very easy. And then once it's all combined, melted, you're gonna fold in your food coloring. And it's gonna be orange and Halloweeny and spooky. Speaking of spooky, Jason, what did you think of the decorations when you walked up to the house?
Oh, I was startled.
Did you like the cemetery better? Did you like the
ghoulish children?
Yes.
Singing.
Ring around the rosy.
Is that on all night long?
Yes, and so far no complaints from the neighbors. And when I was unloading groceries the other day, I had my first 5-year-old that walked by. He was with his mom, and he was like looking in, and I was like, do you want to come in and see everything? And he was like, so cute. Okay, we're gonna do some color matching. Hello, friend. All right, you're on the color palette. All right. Open up your little packet of Reese's. Take your little friend. Yep, I am doing this. Look at that. I could just, you're gonna need a green Skittle.
Wait, what?
Again, you're gonna need a green M&M. I'm also trying to figure out, I do have a new contraption. Like if you just did this, let's see. Ooh, the monster mesh. Look at that. So here your pumpkin's coming out. Take your green Skittle.
Skittle.
God damn it, M&M. Okay. There you go. Now you have your little pecan, and you made a pumpkin. You've made a pumpkin. Now, you would make like 12 of these at a time. Once you cool them in the refrigerator, and then when you take them out, the chocolate just breaks off. So, and then we're gonna come back and you'll see like what it looks like, all right? Looks like my 5-year-old did this. Do little lines, make it look like, you know, I don't know, a pumpkin. And then it goes into the freezer, and we take another break. I mean, it's the California law. It's the labor laws. You work this hard, you must take a break. So we'll see you back here in a little bit. Bye.
1 hour later.
Look what I created. Hello. Look at my little pumpkin patch, okay? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. I know I'm a child trapped in a very old gay man's body. This is pretty cool. I mean, this is cute. I'm sure there's 5-year-olds that can do a better job, but let's see what it tastes like. You have the white chocolate, the Oreo. Let's just see. That's good. Peanut butter, the crunch. I mean, have you ever dip like Oreos in milk? You know, you let them like get soggy? So the white chocolate's kind of giving you like that milky vibe with the Oreo, and you get that burst of the peanut butter cup. All right, well that one, we're just knocking them out of the park, right, Jason? They knock it out of the park? I don't know what they do in football. Whatever. It's one of those things. Sports, right? Right, bro? Right, bro? Right? You want some chicken wings and a Stella? What? Yeah, again, did I bake the Oreo? No. Did I bake the Reese's cup? No, but I have. And you've seen the video. Rewind. You should try this one. Get into the spirit of things. It's been a crazy year for all of us. Do something fun. Get the kids, the grandkids, your adult kid, which is your husband, in there. Make it happen this year. It's been fun, kids. Hit the like button if you've had fun today. Comment. Let's keep chatting with each other. Let's keep our little relationship going. Ring the bell so you get your notifications on when the next video is coming out. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, I love you, kids. I will see you soon. Bye.